Hello, wise people. Today I am unveiling 6 Windows shortcuts that might just surprise you. Let's jump right in. Shortcut number 1. Need to capture something on your screen? Simply press Windows plus Alt plus R and voila, screen recording begins. Watch as it effortlessly records what's happening on your screen. Shortcut number 2. Got a document open? Hit Windows plus H and witness the magic of auto dictation. Speak your thoughts and they will appear on the screen as if by magic. Shortcut number 3. Curious or need quick help? Press Windows plus C. Summons your personal AI assistant ready to answer queries or summarize document at your command. Shortcut number 4. Organize your workspace with ease. Press Windows plus arrow keys to snap your active windows in any direction. Left, right, up or down. Shortcut number 5. For privacy in a snap, use Ctrl plus Shift plus N. In browsers like Chrome, it launches incognito mode, and in File Explorer, it creates a new folder instantly. Shortcut number 6, and finally, when it's time to say goodbye, Alt plus F4 brings up the shutdown menu. A simple click and you can power down your day. There you have it, 6 shortcuts to enhance your Windows experience. Drop a comment with the ones you are trying first and stay savvy, my friends. Until next time, keep exploring and farewell.